Hello everyone, Jen Obvious. In today's Unity lesson on the Sacc Flight and Vehicle System by Sacc, we are going to change the respawn stick to our own mesh model. So over here, I have a little baby Godzilla, and we're going to make the old respawn stick go away. And we're going to replace it with a mesh model of your own choosing. All right, let's get started. Let's go to Unity. Hello everyone, Jen Obvious back with another Sacc tutorial. In this tutorial for the Sacc Flight and Vehicle System, we're going to change the old respawn stick to a mesh model of our own choosing. Right now I've got a little Godzilla in here. We're going to go ahead and make that the respawn stick for the vehicle. We've got an SF1 prefab dropped in. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and right click on your vehicle and make sure that the prefab is unpacked completely. Next thing, click on the vehicle respawner up here and you'll notice that it is batching static. Alright, and it's got the mesh render, it's got a box collider that is set for trigger, and the Sacc entity send event script. So we're going to do the same thing on this mesh that I have in here. This also has an animation on it as well. Anyway, we are going to right click on our parent here and we're going to create empty parent. And let's name that Godzilla respawn stick. Okay, and next we're going to go up here next to static, the drop down button, and select batching static. Yes, change children. That's just the different parts of the model here. All right, next thing you want to do is add a box collider. And let's make it just a little bit bigger. We're going to set it to trigger. We're going to edit it and make it just a little bit taller. Okay. The next thing you want to do is add component and find the Sacc entity send event script. And we'll make this interaction text here, respawn vehicle, and you can name it, whatever the vehicle is. Down here in the entity control, we're going to have to put something in here. But first, we're going to need to move this respawn stick down into our SF1 main vehicle. All right, so once it's in there, go ahead and move it just above the old vehicle respawner. And you can turn the old one off at this point or delete it. Let's go back to our respawn stick and we're going to add the SF1 entity right here. Okay, so we're referencing the mesh on the vehicle. Alright, so everything's looking good there. We've got our entity script. Let's go ahead and play it and we should be able to respawn the vehicle. Alright, coming over to the respawn stick. And over here, and we're going to respawn it. That works. And it works great. And that's how you change the old respawn stick to whatever mesh model that you want to use. Pretty simple, huh? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.